Hi, in this video we are going to talk about plugins. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this web page, which is already loaded here. We are going to scroll down to chapter 9, plugins. And let's go back to our C drive, temp, my WordPress, web host registration. Now we can load both the client web page and the administrative URL, so we can log into WordPress dashboard. Oops, already logged in because I did not log out in the last section, so that will work. Okay, you may see the login screen, but I don't, because I forgot to log out. Okay, so another thing I want to look at is I want to log into the control panel of my by host server. Okay. Remember that if you go to Online File Manager and look at your Lab 1 under htdocs, this is where the engine is stored. Okay, so how about where the plugins are stored? If you go to WP content, there will be a folder called plugins, and all the plugins will be stored here. In other words, the plugins are stored in the WP command plugins. If you go to the dashboard and look at plugins, install plugins, you will realize that you actually have two plugins already installed for you. One plugin is really easy, it's called Hello Dolly. If you activate it, you will have the lyrics of the Dolly song appearing here in your admin panel. Obviously it doesn't do anything, it's just a demonstration of showing that how a plugin can work. Basically, plugin is a small little program that you can write or other people can write, and then you can install it to do extra stuff, to add functions to your WordPress website. So for example, if you click on the edit button, you'll realize that this is the lyrics of the Hello Dolly song, and then they will randomize the lyrics, and yeah, it's written in PHP. Okay, or something like PHP. Okay, and so the songs will appear here. So let's go back again. If you do not like that, you can always deactivate it. Another plugin already installed for you is called ASCII-Mat, which you need to log into the ASCII-Mat website to register. This is a spam fighting software which is really useful. I'm not going to go there today because it will take a lot of time. You need to sign up for ASCII-Mat API key account, or API key get account and all that. Okay, so that is a brief introduction about the plugins. We are going to install a plugin now. Okay, so let's go to plugin, add new. We are going to search for plugin Jetpack by WordPress.com, but it's already here, but I want to search for it just to show you how to search. So let's say you want to search for Jetpack. Hit enter. You'll realize Jetpack by WordPress.com. is going to be installed. So I'm going to say install now. Then basically it will download the installation package from this address, unpack the package, and install it into your the folder that we talk about. So let's go and look at that later. It will take a while because Jetpack is a pretty big plugin with a lot of functions that we can use later. So let's wait for a while. I'm still waiting. It's not hanged. Still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. When we are waiting, let's talk about something else. After the plugin is installed, what will happen is some files is going to be copied in this location. Okay. So that means that in the let's go back. Okay, in the lab 1 HD docs, WP content, we should be able to plugins. We should be able to see a new folder called Jetpack being created, and a lot of things are being installed. Okay. I think it's done. Okay. So when I was switching around, it finished. Jetpack by WordPress.com. Okay. I think it's a good place to stop. In the next video, I'm going to activate it and show you how to use this plugin. Thanks for watching.